Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Derrick, and Derrick is here 1 year after his surgery or procedure for hair transplant, and he's been nice enough to sort of show the process and show his results. And obviously, looking at his before picture to where he is now, it's a huge improvement. And as you can see, he's got a well-defined hairline. He's got that and hair in the middle. Now three-dimensional instead of a two-dimensional, because before he had some micropigmentation or tattooing, basically, to sort of look like a hairline. And now he's got some actual hair there. So, Derrick, how do you like your hair? Tell us about, how it's changed your life.
Wow, it's great. It's great. The first thing I did when I got back from the surgery is, I did what everything you told me to do. Rested, and then I started noticing the hair coming in 3 to 4 months coming in. Then around 6 months, it started really coming in good.
Good.
And I couldn't help but show it off. I went to the barbershop and I was telling the barbershop about my procedure, and they wanted to see it.
Yeah.
And when they looked at the video that we did, they was like, "Whoa, hold on, that really is him. You really are doing it." So one guy, he wanted the procedure done as well. So you gotta, and you. For my recommendations alone, you're gonna have a couple people coming to you.
Awesome.
They should have done it already.
Thank you so much. And about a quarter of our patients are referrals from people who had it done. So that's a big part of our business. I think your work speaks for itself. So now in terms of like edging it up, you can do a lot more with your hair. You can grow it out to any length you want. Does this translate to, say, more confidence going out with the ladies or with with anything? Just the way you look at yourself?
I'm married, man.
Oh, well, of course. How about your wife?
My wife, she said that she sees the improvement in my confidence, and that everything, she sees the improvement. She does. The guys in my unit that I went down to Afghanistan when I was totally bald. They used to call me Shark Fin because I had this I was bald, and so I had like a little type thing going on. They used to call me Shark Fin, but then when I come back to my unit and they see the hair growing, I mean they're totally blown away by the results.
Awesome.
So I can't lie, it's amazing. It really is. So yeah, my confidence is better. I feel like I don't have to wear a lot of hats. I was collecting a whole bunch of hats.
Right.
I don't have to wear a lot of hats anymore. I can walk around. I can walk around outside with my hat off, and show off my hairline.
Awesome, man. Do you mind putting your chin down to the chest and just maybe holding it there for just for a little? Perfect, right there. I'm just gonna put the before and after on there so you guys can see. Yep. So he got an additional 30 to 40% of his density back in these areas. He had his hair pretty short too, so if he were to grow his hair out longer, he'd get even more density. Awesome. And can I see it from the side? Maybe you could show it from like the left side. Yep. And then the right side. Let's take a look at the other side. Same thing. Perfect. Awesome. Well, Derrick, so happy for you, man. And honestly, it makes me feel good to know that helping the military out too, man. And you're a nice guy. Couldn't happen to a nicer guy. Thank you for your service, by the way. I know it's not easy to be in other countries and other states. As a young guy especially. And man, thanks again for showing your result. I guarantee you, this video will speak to a young guy that's looking to get his hair done or get his edges done, and you're living proof that there's hope out there. So
now I look in the mirror all the time. Now I try to stay out of it, but it's just amazing because I went so long being with a receded hairline. I went so long like that, so it still blows me away every time I see it.
Awesome, man. Thanks again, and we'll be in touch. Thanks, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.